Hello everyone, it's Pau Del Rosario, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my no makeup look that I use every day, and this could also be a tutorial for beginners out there. So first, we'll be using the primer. Tapos na rin akong mag-moisturizer. So yung primer is, I don't know kung para saan, but let's do this.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Gumagantuan to sila, so biyahin natin.
Then for the foundation, I'm gonna be using this Rimmel foundation. So yung camera na rin yung gawin natin. Mirror. Yun yung challenge sa vlog na to. Your camera would be your mirror.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Make sure it's even kasi ayaw naman natin mukhang espasol. And tip for choosing the right foundation, never ever try dito sa kamay to see the shade. It's because hindi naman kaparehas ng kamay natin yung skin tone sa mukha. So it's better to try it kung alin yung closest color dun sa neck. Next, I use this Revlon concealer. Ano ba to? Ayan. Oh my god. Galing ko. This is on the shade of 01 Fair. Kasi kailangan medyo mas maputi yung concealer compared to the foundation.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Yan, so I'm gonna be blending it with the same beauty blender that I used to put on my foundation.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Next is I'm gonna contour my face.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And then I'm gonna be using this KJM Chick and Lip Tint for my blush. Naglalagay pa rin ako ng blush on, but before that, nilalagyan ko muna nitong Chick and Lip Tint para magstay siya longer. But sometimes, pwede naman ito na lang din. Just blend it dito sa face nyo. Para mukhang isay. And then again, itong Maxi Blush from Rimmel. I love this blush kasi sobrang light niya lang.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
And I always like put any kind of brown eyeshadow just to make my eyes a little bit Alam mo yun? Kasi mukha daw ako may sakit pag wala akong makeup. So, kailangan ko tong ilagay every single day.
Sun rays and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And I'm using the same brown color to contour my nose. Before kasi kilay is life, but now contour is life. Most especially nose line is life kasi makes you look like what, diba? And then, since yung kilay ko is ganyan na, I'm gonna be putting a little bit, parang i-brush lang natin siya. By the way, I got my eyebrows shaded like a few months back. And satisfied naman ako kasi medyo nakaka-save time talaga siya in putting makeup. And sometimes I don't need to put eyebrow pencil at all. Ganyan na lang siya. But for this tutorial, I'm just trying to put it a little bit kasi na-cover na siya ng foundation kanina. And lastly, I'm gonna be putting my lipstick. For the lipstick, I'm gonna be using, feeling ko Rimmel sponsored itong tutorial na to. Yan. So, I'm gonna be using this Rimmel MakeUp. What is this? Basta. Hindi ko alam. Kasi this looks like natural color ng lips. Hindi pa pala last kasi I'm gonna be putting pa ng highlighter. So, I'll be using this
L'Oreal
Infallible na highlighter. So, in the shade of Slay and Rose 503. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna put it like here sa nose tip. O, diba? Can you see that? Amazing. And then, lagyan din natin dito siya. So, addicted with highlighter.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Lagyan ko rin pala itong under eye ko ng a little bit of any brown eyeshadow para naman magbuka tayong open yung eyes. Guys, hindi ako pro makeup artist. Not even a makeup artist at all. I'm just sharing my daily makeup routine. Just so maybe it would help those people, like beginners. There you have it! Kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong videos, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!